say here, I've been thinking. I know, when I think, it's sometimes strange having a dog think. But like a lot of other dogs, I think a lot. Especially when I'm bored. And with the pandemic, it's easy to be bored quite a bit. After all, I'm home all day. Though, I guess I'm often home all day, so I'm probably a good person to talk to about ideas to reduce being bored while home. Let me think. What do I do in order to be less bored? First of all, when I'm bored, I walk around the house and I start to look for things that I could be doing. I have my toys in the corner. I have my brother's objects that I can play with. There's the toilet paper I could chew. There's all that food on the counter I probably shouldn't help myself to, especially the chocolate, but it's just so good. And then I walk around, I think a little bit more, and I look at what I've done previously. So one thing is running around outside getting some exercise. So I think to myself, let me go outside and do some exercise. So I get myself outside and I do some sprinting around the yard, back and forth, trying to help myself to feel better. And I actually do feel a lot better a lot of times after getting that exercise in. So exercise can be a great thing to do when you're bored, getting that physical activity in. Other things that I do when I'm bored are, I think about trying to get organized. So I organize my toys. There's my chew toys. There's all the toys I've taken from my brothers or from my parents. Like that little ball that I really enjoy playing with because it squeaks so much. And then I also like to go through stuff and get rid of things I don't need. So for example, there's that annoying pig that oinks that I can't stand. It's this chew thing that just won't die. And so I discreetly hide it in the basement where no one's going to find it. So there's lots of things that you can do in order to reduce being bored. Getting physical activity in, even making a list. If I could write, I would make a written list. But since I can't, I try to use voice dictation through Alexa to have a list of things. And I say, Alexa, tell me something that I can do because I'm bored. And then Alexa just tells me my list. It says, go outside. Play with your brothers. And remember, don't chew toilet paper. It also reminds me of other things I could be doing, including doing some yoga to relax, or being able to, or even just sitting and thinking. Even dogs can sit and think too. And it can be relaxing sometimes just sitting and thinking a little bit. So I hope that these suggestions have been helpful. And as you can see, because I am a little bored at times, that, I might ramble a little bit. But that's okay, because quite frankly, I'm home all day, I have time.